The Uniden RDA-HDWKT Radar Detector Direct Wire Kit with Remote Mute Button allows you to directly wire your compatible Uniden radar detector into your car's fuse box. This allows you to mount the small control box where you want for easy discrete control of the mute functionality. Compatible with Uniden radar detectors models R8, R7, R4, R3, R1, DFR9, DFR9BLK, DFR8, DFR7, and DFR6. Includes power on LED indicator, LED alert for radar and laser, and mute button. Direct wire your radar detector's power connection to keep your 12-volt socket outlet free for charging your other portable devices. Installs in vehicle fuse panel and mounts easily within driver's reach. High-quality design and construction for years of use. Top reviews from the United States. I wanted a Hardwire kit for my Uniden R3 because I was tired of having the power plug cord dangling from the windshield and getting in the way. Why else, right? I decided to go with the Uniden kit because it has a silence button making it convenient to mute the unit when necessary. Installation is relatively easy, especially if you have a fuse box near the driver's side dashboard by the A-pillar, like on my Sierra. I just slid the flat telephone wire type cord under the ceiling and door trim using a plastic panel tool to the fuse box. If you purchase a tap wire setup for your type of fuse, you just find a switched circuit fuse, pull it, plug in the tap, replace the fuse in the bottom slot of the tap, and your radar detector fuse in the top slot of the tap, and connect it to the red wire on the kit. Connect the black wire to any good ground screw, bolt or nut and you're done. I used the Velcro that came with the unit and located the button box on the side of the console by the leg well where it is easy to reach and discreet. The unit works well and I am happy with the purchase and would recommend it to a friend.